Hello, my wonderful kids of class 4. How are you all? I know you all are fine and doing well. How do I know? Because I have seen your test and you all have performed so well in the test. So let me appreciate you all. Very good. Keep it up. Okay? So, are you ready to learn something new? Yes, I know my class 4th is always ready to learn new things, right? So, let's start our chapter. Today we are going to learn chapter number 2 of our grammar book Cornerstone. And the name of the chapter is The Sentence. But are we going to start it or we have already started it? Yes, we have already started it. How? Let me tell you. See, I have asked you, how are you all? You have done well in your test, right? Keep it up, right? So, what actually I have done? I have used some sentences. Sentences to tell you something, to appreciate you, to ask something, right? So, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which is used to express our thoughts, which is used to tell something, which is used to ask something. When we speak to convey our thoughts, we use different kinds of sentences. Not only for speaking, even during writing also we use sentences. So what we have learned, that a sentence is a group of words that is arranged so to make a complete sense so that it can express our thoughts, right? So now we will try to make it more clear by doing an activity. Are you ready for the activity? Okay, let me copy some group of words here and then I will tell you what is the activity. Now see, the group of words are there. Okay, 5 group of words are there. Now what you are supposed to do? I will read the group of words for you and you have to clap once if it is a sentence, and you have to clap twice if it is not a sentence, right? So, okay, tell me. We went for. Is it a sentence? No, no, no. It is not a sentence. As it do not express anything. It does not make any sense. Right? So, next is Sheila is studying for an examination. Yes, correct. I have heard that you have clapped once. Very good. We football every day. No, 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 no. The boy goes to school. Yes, it is a sentence. We are studying English grammar. Hmm. How many times you clapped? Once or twice? Once. Is it a sentence? Yes, it is a group of words. It makes complete sense. Still, we cannot call it a sentence, you know. Why? Because it does not start with the capital letter, and here I have not ended it with the punctuation mark. Till I will not write it with the capital letter and I will not end it. End this group of words with the punctuation mark. It cannot be called a sentence. So what other important rule now only we have learned about the sentences? That it must start with a capital letter and it must end with a not only full stop. It depends on the kind of sentence, that whether we will end it with the full stop or we will end it with the question mark or we will end it with the exclamation mark. So what more important words we have rules we have learned about sentences? That starts with a capital letter and ends with the punctuation mark. It can be full stop, it can be question mark, or it can be exclamation mark, right? So we have learned that sentence is a group of words that is arranged so that it makes complete sense. Now we will learn the arrangement, word order, how to put the words in order that it makes a complete sense, right? Now I am writing here a sentence. For assertive sentences, there we can construct a sentence by different ways. Like we can simply add a subject and verb. So subject and verb. Verb is the most important part. Without verb, we cannot construct a sentence. So if I'll say I play, now it is the subject, and what is subject? The role of subject is played by noun or pronoun in English, the doer of the action, about whom we are talking in the sentence, right? So simply I can make I play, or I can write subject plus verb plus adjective. Different parts of speech we use to construct sentences. So subject will be I, verb will be am, adjective tall, right? ओके मैम तो शॉर्ट है ना? तो चलो चेंज करके शॉर्ट लिख देते हैं, ठीक है? ओके, एंड देन सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस एडवर्ब. देयर आर मैनी वेज, ठीक है? मैं आपके साथ सिर्फ बेसिक्स कर रही हूँ क्योंकि वी आर हैविंग एन एक्टिविटी एक्सरसाइज वेयर वी हैव टू रीअरेंज द जंबल वर्ड्स टू कंस्ट्रक्ट सेंटेंसेस. So for that purpose I am just discussing it. I will not teach all the rules of words order, otherwise you will be confused. You are very small in age, so only the rules which are useful for you, that I am going to teach you. So it will be he gets up early, right? Or I can say subject plus verb plus object. I play cricket, right? Okay. Now we simply understand that subject, if there is a noun, pronoun, doer of the action, it will come first, then the verb will come. Verb can be a combination of words like is playing. If combination of verbs are there, then the helping verb will come first and the main verb will come after the helping verb. Then we have object, right? Then sometimes in a sentence we are having place is given where the action happened, time is given when, manner of action is given how, reason of action is given why. So if other kinds of words are also given, then this will be the order. First the where word, place word will be added after this basic structure. Then when words will be added, then how words will be added, and then why words will be added. Okay. Now let us understand by solving some examples. First I'll write met we at Kim 7 p.m. Now this is a jumble sentence. What we have to do? We have to rearrange so that this group of words gives a complete sense. So what I have told you, first the subject, noun or pronoun will be there. So this is the pronoun, and I have told you it will start with the capital letter. Then I have told you verb will be there. Then we met Kim. Now where word is not there, when is there, timing is there, and at is the preposition of time. So it will be at 7 p.m. So our sentence is ready, right? Let us solve some more example. Next is the reading newspaper math 3 is, right? So shall I rub this? Learn हो गए आपको where, when, how and why. Okay. Now because this is the name, it will start with the capital letter math 3. Now is and reading, two verbs are there. So the helping verb will come first and main verb will come later. Reading the newspaper. And then because it is an assertive sentence statement, so we will end it with a full stop. So our sentence is ready. Shall we do more examples? Okay. A week twice basketball play I. Okay. Now the pronoun will come first, then we will have the verb, then we will have the object, then we will have the time, twice a week, and we will end it with the full stop. Understood? Everything is clear to you? Now we will move to our exercises. See, here is exercise A. It is the same exercise which we have covered as an activity. So put a tick against those group of words which you think are sentences and cross against those which are not. So here 10 group of words are given. You have to put a tick for which that is correct, that is a meaningful sentence, or the group of words which does not make any sense, which is not a complete sentence. For that you have to put a cross. Now this is the exercise B. Rewrite these sets of jumble words as complete sentences. Use correct punctuation. The first word of each sentence is underlined. So this is the rejumble words. This is the group of words which you have to arrange according to the arrangement which I have told you. That first the subject will come, then verb, then object, and the other words where, when, how and why. Okay. So this exercise A, because space is given in our book, so you will do in the book only. Exercise B, there is no space. You have to rewrite the complete sentence. So this you will do in the notebook. Your notebook will remain same. The reader and grammar notebook will remain same. After the test, yesterday you have given the test. So after this test, you can do it, right? And then the third exercise, this is something interesting. Add suitable words to these group of words to make complete sentences. Now you have to use your own imagination, okay, to complete the. Some words are given like grandfather is. Now you have to use your own imagination to complete it. So simply you can write subject plus verb. Grandfather is sleeping, or you can complete it by using grandfather is angry, okay, or you can grandfather is reading the newspaper, okay. So what we have done here, subject plus verb, here subject plus verb plus adjective, here subject plus verb plus object. If you want to add time, You can add time also. So the arrangement which I have taught you, you can use that arrangement and you can make a simple or a lengthy sentence. Okay. So this you have to do in the book only as space is given, right? So next is exercise D is also very interesting. See, here some pictures are given. So for these pictures you have to write two sentences for each one, right? So this also you will do in the notebook as space is not given. So exercise A and C will be done in book with pencil, and exercise B and D will be done in notebook with pencil. Ma'am will share the answers and then your parents can recheck whether you have done it correctly or not. And don't forget to start your sentence with a capital letter and end it with the punctuation mark. So this was for today. I hope you understand. So enjoy your exercises. Till then, bye bye. We will meet in the next class soon.